The power of business is in people, not paperwork. The human touch that makes us more than the work we do. But what happens when the to-do list keeps us from actually doing? Our expertise helps you manage the life cycle of an employee every step of the way, so you can put your focus back where it belongs, on people. Imagine the transformation possible if you weren't spending every day worried about compliance and trying to learn new employment standards, HR policies, and procedures. Imagine what you could achieve with direct access to seasoned HR experts, delivering deep insights into subjects such as employee engagement, talent management, learning and development, compensation, and payroll optimization. ADP Workforce Now Comprehensive Services is your managed HR shared service for all of Canada. We combine years of senior HR experience, industry best practices, and proven technologies to improve and automate day-to-day tasks and unify your company's systems. Powerful solutions for great teams, allowing you to focus on what's important: people, not paperwork. Learn more about ADP Workforce Now Comprehensive Services.